If you're experiencing crashing issues with Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your system. Step 2. Check game files. Open the Battle.net client, select Overwatch 2, and click on the Options menu. Choose Scan and Repair to check for any corrupted game files and repair them. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help prevent crashes due to performance issues, especially if your hardware is not high-end. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Overwatch 2. This can fix any persistent problems that may not have been addressed by other methods. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.